Oh wow, look what I did right today. I found some on time without seeing the babies first. I've been watching this now for a while. This isn't done growing. Bugs are getting to it already. Look at this. Somebody broke a piece off there, probably to try out. Probably was the first big piece. Somebody's watching this. I better get it. And look what's on the back. I'll show you what's on the back. Look at this. This is thick. Look what's on the back. More growing. Look at that. That is beautiful. So this came up. I never harvested from here till today. I will, unless somebody happens to run up behind me. Where do you see this? Oh, look, somebody cut in with a knife right here. Someone's watching this. Not today, folks. I've had enough people cutting my chicken when I find them. There's the juice coming out of the back. See if I can get the juice coming out. Right there is the juice. You can see someone stuck a knife right through there. Most likely, they took a little piece, and then they broke this piece off. I didn't take. They broke that whole piece off. Oh, I'm breaking this whole piece off. They are okay. I guess we can let the rest grow. Whoever gets it, gets it. I'd like to see this do its thing. See, I don't like them as mushy. Bugs are going to get them. Look at that, it's dripping out. I'll let this grow. Not this one. I'll let this top part grow. This is going nowhere. I'll take that too. Doodly, 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 doo. These little ones aren't going to do anything. So, somebody will come back and probably get the rest. And we'll see what the rest... Yeah, they already got this one and this one. I can't let them take it off because I won't have any. Yeah, that's chicken. Good chicken. Alright, let me get out of here. The bugs didn't get to it yet. They're just starting. That's a nugget. That's a nugget right there. It's a little soft. I like it to grow. Someone's going to get it though. Don't you know? I'll leave the rest anyway. See what happens.